Hello dear learners, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Okay, so today I am going to start showing you that how to make drawings in Tux Paint. If you all remember, in previous class I explained you about Tux Paint, right? Okay, so I explained you about some features of Tux Paint. Okay, and I told you that how to start Tux Paint. First, you have to click on Start button and then All Programs, and then you will choose Tux Paint and Tux Paint windowed option. Okay, as you will click on Tux Paint windowed option, so this type of screen will appear. Okay, now I am showing you practically that how to draw on Tux Paint. Okay, so let's start. First, you have to click on all programs. I'm having Windows 10, so I have all apps option here, so I'm clicking here on all apps. Okay, and then I will find Tux Paint. Okay, so T, it will start from T now, so I'm just scrolling here it is. Okay, two options are there, full screen and windowed, so I'm clicking on full screen. You can choose windowed also because I want to show you in the larger scale, so I'm clicking on the full screen option. Now you all can see this welcome window of Tux Paint. Now this is our working area. Here we will be creating our drawings. Okay, as you all can see here, this is our toolbox. Okay, means here you will find the tools for making your drawing like paint, stamp, lines, shapes, text, label, fill, magic, many tools are there. Okay, so one by one we will be using all the tools, and here we have the sub tool option. Like when you will click on any tool, तो इस tool से related जो भी options होंगे, those options will be available that side. Okay, those options will be available at that side. Okay, so first let's talk about the paint tool. Okay, so this paint tool is a very common tool. Whenever you want to draw anything, so by default this tool is selected. The tool which we select, it is highlighted with the blue color, you all can see. Okay, so by default it will be highlighted. Okay, so using this we can draw anything on the screen. You all can see here. Okay, I have drawn with black color, and if you want to change the color, so you can choose any color from there and you can draw. Okay, here you all can see I'm using this brush. From this list I can choose any. I have chosen the thicker one and this one, so I'm just showing you the thickness of the brush. Okay, and we have this haze option also. You all can see now. Okay, so now I have just draw these curves and I want to erase it, so we have eraser tool. Eraser we have, and using eraser I am erasing this. So this is similar to the MS Paint. In MS Paint the way you were erasing it, and same here we can erase here also. Another option is we can click on the new button. Like suppose I have drawn anything and I can click on new button also, and as you will click on the new option, you will find a list of pages. So from here you all can see different colors. So from here you can choose any color, but I want the white one, so I'm clicking on this. Click on it and click on this open button. Okay, if you want to save the previous one जो पहले आपने draw किया था, save करना है, तो you will click on yes button. Otherwise you will click on no. Okay, so now using paint tool I am drawing mountains. Okay, so I am choosing the paint option, and in sub tool I am choosing this thicker one. Okay, and I am drawing mountains. Okay, so this is how, this is the green color. No, I want brown color, so I can change the color from here. Okay, so I have just started. Okay, now I am drawing mountains. You all can see here. With the help of mouse, we can draw mountains. Okay? Okay, mountains are done. Now I want to draw a sun. So it will be in yellow color. So this is my sun. Okay. So you all can see now that using paint tool and by using different colors, I have drawn this. Okay. So now I hope the use of sub tool is clear to you, that like I have chosen this paint option. So from here I can choose any option. Like if you want to draw things which are far, so you can choose this haze brush. This haze brush will draw the things which are far. Like if you want to draw tree over there, after mouse, okay, first I have to choose the color, green color. So if you will choose this haze brush, so it will look like this. You all can see now the things which are far away. So those type of things we can draw using this haze button. Okay, so it's a tree which is far, so it is looking little blur, you know. Okay, okay, I want to draw that much only. And if you want to draw any shape from this sub tool list, so you can do that also. Like click on this, so it will, you can draw these types of flowers. If you will click on this, so it will look like this. By changing the color, you can draw different kinds of shape. The shape on which you will be clicking, it will look like that shape only. Okay, so I hope you all can observe the shape I am choosing from the list. Okay, there are many options, so you can choose any, you can draw any. Okay, now I am going to erase these all things whatever I have drawn here. So using eraser, I am erasing all these shapes because I don't want these in my drawing. Okay, so I have rabbit. Okay, it's done. Now I want to draw a river. So using paint, I am just drawing a river and it will be in blue color. So this is a very common type of landscape I am drawing here. So it's my river. Now I want to draw sky. See, if the color is not available in this list, so you can click here and you can choose any color. Like I want light blue, and that was not in the list, so I am choosing from there itself. Okay, so this color I have chosen, and here I am drawing sky and I am using haze brush. So see, this is my sky. Okay, you all can see here I am drawing the sky. Okay, you can choose other brush also. Okay, I am choosing according to my choice. You can choose according to you. Okay, these are my clouds. Okay, you can fill color by choosing this option also. You can fill like this. Okay, okay, but this sky is not looking good. I'm erasing it. No, it is not looking good. Okay, erased. Again I'm drawing here. Okay, this one is looking nice. Okay, so I hope the use of haze brush is clear to you all, how we can use the haze brush and how we can use the